Welcome to the Smart Health Guide.
Do you often wake up at night with painful leg cramps that interrupt your sleep? Or do your legs feel weaker as you get older, making every step more difficult? If you're over 60, you know just how frustrating this can be. It doesn't just rob you of good sleep. It can also take away your confidence, your mobility, and even your independence. But what if I told you the solution might not be in a pill bottle, but right in your own kitchen? The truth is, science has shown that certain foods can help rebuild muscle, restore strength in your legs, and even prevent cramps before they happen. More importantly, they target the root causes of weak legs and cramps, rather than just covering up the symptoms like some medications do. In today's video, we're going to explore 3 powerful groups of foods that many older adults have already used successfully. And the best part? They're not rare or expensive ingredients. They're simple, everyday superfoods, easy to find and affordable. So, if you're ready to put an end to pain and weakness and instead regain strength, stability, and confidence in every step, make sure to watch until the end. By the time we finish, you'll know exactly what to eat to see real results, and you can start applying it today. If you want to live a healthy, strong, and independent life after 60, don't forget to hit the subscribe button right now so you never miss my best health tips. And please, share your story in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And who knows, I might have the perfect solution for you. Alright, now let's get into the main part. To make it easier for you to follow, I've divided these superfoods into 3 groups, each with a clear role to play. Group 1 is all about strengthening your legs by rebuilding muscle and tendons so you can walk firmly without relying on anything. Group 2 goes deeper, focusing on your bones and joints, because if they're weak or painful, you won't be able to move smoothly, right? And Group 3 helps your muscles relax and recover effectively, preventing cramps at night so you can walk with confidence and enjoy a good night's sleep. Can you picture it now? Each group has a specific job to deliver the maximum effect. So stay focused, because we'll begin with Group 1, the foods that strengthen your legs. These include eggs, bone broth, and citrus fruits. Let's start with eggs. Eggs are highly valued because they're a complete source of protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids needed to rebuild muscle quickly. For older adults, this is especially important for maintaining and regenerating muscle, reducing the risk of muscle loss, particularly in the legs. Eggs are also affordable, easy to find, and simple to prepare. But which part of the egg should you eat? In the past, people believed that eating too many yolks could raise cholesterol and increase the risk of heart disease. However, recent studies show that cholesterol from food doesn't affect blood cholesterol as much as we once thought. In fact, most cholesterol in your blood is produced by your liver, not from eggs. One study from the University of Illinois, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, compared the effects of eating whole eggs versus just egg whites on muscle protein synthesis after exercise. The results were striking. Those who ate whole eggs had a 40% higher rate of muscle protein synthesis compared to those who only ate egg whites with the same amount of protein. This shows that other nutrients in the yolk, such as healthy fats and vitamins, play an important role in building muscle effectively. So, how many eggs should you eat? For healthy adults, 1 whole egg per day is perfectly fine. For those with heart disease, diabetes, or cholesterol issues, it's best to consult a doctor, but in general, 3 to 4 whole eggs per week is considered safe. You can eat more egg whites if you want extra protein, and the healthiest ways to cook eggs are boiling or steaming rather than frying with lots of oil. Personally, I find eating eggs in the morning or at lunch works best. If I eat them at night, I struggle to fall asleep. That's how eggs help us build muscle. But do you know what's just as important as muscle? Tendons, the strong tissues that connect muscle to bone. If tendons are weak, they can tear or rupture, leading to serious surgery. That brings us to our second food, bone broth. Why bone broth? Tendons are made mostly of collagen, and bone broth is rich in exactly that. A 2019 study published in Frontiers in Physiology confirmed that supplementing with collagen peptides can boost collagen synthesis in connective tissues, such as tendons and ligaments. The study also noted that this effect is even greater when combined with physical activity, since mechanical stress on the tendons stimulates collagen production even more. So you can see why bone broth is so important for tendon health. And the best part? It's simple to prepare. You can use a variety of bones or pork knuckles, add some vegetables, and you'll have a delicious, nutrient-packed soup. I'm sure many of you already eat it regularly. Let me know in the comments if you do. Now, collagen is essential, but for it to work even better, we need something else, vitamin C, which leads us to the third food in this group, citrus fruits. Why citrus? As we age, our body naturally produces less collagen. This leads to weaker tendons, stiffer joints, and poorer blood vessels. Citrus fruits are packed with vitamin C, the key nutrient that acts as a catalyst for collagen production. Vitamin C helps create strong, high-quality collagen fibers and protects existing collagen from being destroyed by free radicals, keeping connective tissue and blood vessels healthy. One study, published in PMID, investigated the effects of vitamin C on soft tissue injuries. The results showed that vitamin C promoted the synthesis of type Y collagen and supported tendon healing. The researchers concluded that vitamin C could accelerate bone healing after fractures, boost type I collagen production, and reduce oxidative stress. And if you're not a fan of citrus fruits, don't worry. Berries like strawberries and blueberries are also excellent sources of vitamin C. All right, since we don't have much time, let's move on to Group 2. Do you still remember its role? This group is all about strengthening your bones and keeping your joints moving smoothly. The foods here include Greek yogurt, sesame seeds, and fatty fish. As we age, problems like osteoporosis, bone loss, and joint pain in the legs become more and more common. These are major reasons why older adults find it difficult to walk and are at higher risk of falls. Greek yogurt is one of the best foods to support bone health, helping you maintain strong, flexible legs. Greek yogurt is becoming increasingly popular worldwide. With its thick, creamy texture and delicious taste, it's not only a convenient breakfast option, but also a versatile ingredient for many dishes. Many people think Greek yogurt is only good for digestion or weight control, but one of its most important benefits, often overlooked, is its ability to support bone health, especially for older adults. Bones are made primarily of calcium, and just 1 cup of Greek yogurt can provide up to 18% of your daily calcium needs. Getting enough calcium helps maintain bone density and reduces the risk of osteoporosis and fractures. A study published in Osteoporosis International in 2017, involving over 4,300 adults, found that women who consumed yogurt regularly had 3 to 4% higher bone mineral density in the hip and thigh, compared to those who rarely ate yogurt. Regular yogurt intake was also linked to a 39% lower risk of osteoporosis in women and 51% in men. This suggests that yogurt can help strengthen the major weight-bearing bones in the lower body, including the legs. Another excellent source of calcium is sesame seeds. They're inexpensive, widely available in both traditional markets and supermarkets, and can be added to many dishes, from sweet treats like sesame balls and desserts, to savory options like salads, or sprinkled over grilled foods. Just 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds provides about 88 milliliters of calcium, nearly half the calcium in a small glass of milk. Thanks to their high nutritional value and convenience, sesame seeds truly deserve to be called a superfood for bones. Adding a small amount to your daily meals is a simple but powerful way to support bone and joint health. The last food in this group is fatty fish. Many people avoid fatty fish, thinking the fat is unhealthy. But that's a big misconception. The fats in these fish are actually healthy unsaturated fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which are extremely beneficial for both joints and heart health. Omega-3s help block inflammatory substances, reducing swelling, stiffness, and pain in the joints. A study published in the Annals of the Rheumatic Diseases showed that patients with rheumatoid arthritis who took omega-3 supplements had significant improvements in joint pain and swelling. Omega-3 also slows down the breakdown of cartilage, the cushioning tissue between joints, helping them function smoothly and protecting against age-related wear and tear. To reap the benefits, you should aim to eat fatty fish at least twice a week. Choose healthy cooking methods like grilling, steaming, or pan-searing with minimal oil to preserve nutrients. Pairing fish with vegetables makes for a balanced, anti-inflammatory meal. With the first two groups, your legs are already stronger and more resilient. But we're not done yet. To complete the picture, we need Group 3, foods that relax and restore your muscles, preventing those painful nighttime cramps. The first food in this group is bananas. Bananas are famous for being rich in potassium, a mineral essential for muscle and nerve function. Without enough potassium, your muscles can become overly sensitive, leading to sudden spasms and cramps. A medium banana provides about 12% of your daily potassium needs. Bananas are also a good source of magnesium, which plays the opposite role of calcium, helping muscles relax after contraction, preventing stiffness and prolonged cramps. On top of that, bananas provide easily digestible carbohydrates, making them an excellent recovery food when combined with protein after exercise. If you often suffer from night cramps, try eating a banana about 1 to 2 hours before bedtime. This gives your body time to absorb the potassium and magnesium, keeping your muscles relaxed. You can eat bananas on their own, blend them into a smoothie, or pair them with Greek yogurt for an extra boost of protein and nutrients. The second food in this group is sweet potatoes. How many times have you enjoyed them baked? Sweet potatoes are actually one of the best sources of potassium. Just one medium sweet potato contains up to 542 mcl, which is significantly more than a banana. Potassium is vital for maintaining proper fluid balance in your cells and ensuring smooth muscle contractions. Sweet potatoes are also affordable, widely available, and delicious. With their natural sweetness, soft texture, and versatility, they can easily become a staple in your daily diet, whether as a main dish, a side, or even a snack. So we've now gone through the 3 key groups of foods that can help prevent cramps, strengthen your muscles, protect your bones and joints, and keep your body relaxed. The great thing is, these aren't rare or expensive ingredients. They're everyday foods that are easy to find, affordable, and simple to add to your daily meals. Remember this: every meal you choose today is an investment in your health tomorrow. If you maintain healthy eating habits along with light physical activity, your legs will become stronger, steadier, and your sleep will be more restful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss any of my health tips for life after 60. And I'd love to hear your story. Leave a comment below and share the challenges you're facing with your legs or your sleep. Who knows? The next video might just hold the solution you've been looking for.